Remember back in the 1980s when they needed to have Band-Aid because there was a massive famine in Africa? I don't, because I was either just born or soon to be born. Well, because I've seen several dead birds recently. How about Bird Aid? Featuring none other than the Boomtown Pigeons with, um, I Don't Like Thursdays and, fucking and Flu 2 with their new hit song, Dunay, Flappy's Dunay, and none other than Fleam, their brilliant hit, dun 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 dun, another dead bird. Bird's the dust, dun 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 dun, another dead bird's the dust, dun 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 dun, another dead bird's the dust.